Hello, I just wanted to update you about some exciting news on the family video game database that we've been working on. In collaboration with the Playability Initiative, we are adding a whole load of different accessibility data to the database so that you'll be able to search for games that suit your specific needs. Now this ranges from whether the game includes difficulty settings, how much reading is required, what the subtitles, what the captioning is like, how you can adjust the images in the game, how you can adjust the display to make it clearer to see or to signal audio cues, how you can adjust the audio in the game, what sort of spoken word dialogue or narrative is provided, as well as the sorts of communication that are in the game as well. So there's a whole host of different settings now that have been added, as you can see, with the help of some accessibility experts that we've been working with and supported and funded by the Playability Initiative. It's a collaboration with a number of different elements. Numinous Games are heading it up and designing a one-button multiplayer adventure game for children. This is in collaboration with the Able Gamers charity, of course us ourselves, the Family Video Game Database, along with Games for Change Student Challenge. So this means that if you find a particular game which maybe you're unable to play for various different reasons, you can use the database to search for similar games that suit your accessibility needs. You can use the normal filters to look for particular genres or look for particular games in our lists. You can enter your system, you can enter how many players you want and what PEGI rating you'd like to do. But then you can drop down this huge accessibility data area and work through each of these sections, selecting the items that are important to enable you to play in your family and with your children or on your own. The process of taking this journey into accessibility data means that I have learned a load from some simply amazing people. But now I'd like to ask you if you have particular requirements for video games, or if you think there are things we should add to our accessibility search, or if there are particular games that do a really good job of providing the accessibility settings and options that mean that you can play the game without a barrier, then do get in touch. We're now in the mode of adding loads of new games to the database, as well as updating the records we've already got with all this accessibility data. And that's something we simply can't do without your help. You can find out more about the Playability Initiative on their website, playabilityinitiative.com, which includes more information about that one-button game, Painted Waters, as well as where the collaboration is going to be going in the future.